Okay, so you know who you want to reach with your podcast. Now's the time to think about what you're actually going to say. You probably have a general topic idea in mind. Maybe it's marketing, finance, video production, fashion. But I want you to dig a little deeper into your listener profile's needs, goals, and pain points to uncover your specific sub niche that you want to tap into. For example, a finance podcast targeting retirees might have a completely different episode lineup than a finance podcast meant to help new grads get out of student loan debt. The idea is that you want to carve out a unique corner of that main keyword or topic for your show to exist within and really specialize in. In general, my advice is to pick a topic that you could talk about all day long. This pretty much goes without saying. Although podcasts can range quite a bit in terms of length, they're not 15-second sound bites. They need to have some substance to them. So you want to be able to go a bit deeper into each of your episodes, sharing personal stories where you can, having conversations with colleagues or thought leaders in your space when it makes sense to, and just providing longer form, more thorough commentary or education than a simple social media post might. My name is Latasha James, and welcome to my Secrets of Podcasting course on MZed.
Hey there, Latasha here.
In this course, I'll get you started on your podcasting journey. We'll talk about why to start a podcast. 32% of Americans listen to podcasts at least monthly. How to know what people want to hear. Podcasting is also a lot of fun. How to prepare technically. Using a Rodecaster console, you can set the levels for any headphone outputs separately. How to conduct interviews, market your podcast. I'm just going to choose one that jumps out to me here. I like this modern pink one. We'll click on that. Record pro audio. Dynamic mics are less sensitive than condensers, and video if you want to. My show's been running for over 5 years now and has helped me flex my creative muscles like never before and get opportunities that I could have never imagined. All that and much, much more. Looking forward to seeing you inside.